how I promote my channel, my personal channel, Vacation Impossible. I've got my little, you want to talk about promotion? I got this magnet that I got from Vistaprint right there. I put that on my door when I'm on a cruise ship. So people walking down the halls, maybe they'll notice it. At the very least, if I've had a few too many margaritas, I can find my cruise cabin a little easier with with the magnet on the door. And so I've promoted it in so many different ways, but that's been active promotion. I'm active on Reddit and message boards and Facebook groups and try to be active on Twitter and Pinterest and Vero, and I have Snapchat, but I don't know what I'm doing with that. Instagram, all sorts of things. It's a laundry list. In fact, when I post a new video, I have to go and follow this Excel sheet that lists out like all of my social media platforms so I don't miss something. In fact, I released a video early today. I still need to go through that list because I missed Flickr, I missed Pinterest, and I think there's a couple others. And I know I haven't posted it to Vero yet. So like there's a list. So I find that really helpful. I recommend that for YouTubers.